what a height! Okay, I'm tough and I can make it! Gumballs, here we come!
Sammy! I've just cleaned up here! Ugh.
Sue, my dream came true!
That's it, mister. I'm restricting your access to sweets.
Nah, that's not interesting.
It is interesting since it's gonna be a new craft.
A new craft? Yay!
Hi, guys. Today we're going to build an awesome gumball machine.
It's the best day of my life, Sue, my personal gumball machine.
But you won't have all of them at the same time, Sammy. Guys, be careful while working with the compass.
I know, Sue. Saying too much sweets are no good for your health.
That's right. Guys, do you like gumballs? Give a thumbs up if you do. Huh, I bet it'll be faster with magic. Snap, and done.
Do I need a coin to get gumballs from our machine?
Oh, you do, and more than one. Maybe paying for sweets will stop you from eating too much of them? Or at least I hope so.
I don't like this idea. Everything good should come for free.
Keep dreaming, Sam. In the meantime, I'll cut out this piece. Be very careful with sharp objects, guys. Or better ask an adult to help.
Why did I bring up that coin topic at all?
Oh, Sammy. Guys, don't forget that this glue is very hot. Apply it like this. And now we'll use tweezers to secure a piece of a wooden skewer right here.
Sue, I wanted to help, but something got stuck to me.
Oh, Sammy, great job. Let me take these. We'll speed up the process just a bit. Now it's time for the rest of the cardboard circles. We'll apply some glue like this.
Guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, it's high time to do it now.
Now we'll glue these two circles together.
Sue, look, we have a walking circle here.
Oh, thank you. It goes right here. Perfect. Next step is to make a hole. Try not to hurt your fingers.
Sue, let me help you.
Oh, Sammy, perfect timing. I wish everyone had a helper like Sam.
Helper it is. Look what I've done.
Whoa. Sammy, you are always one step ahead. That's exactly what we need.
Of course, I'm the greatest master at last. So what's next?
The second stage of the gumball machine.
Sue, are you sure you cut everything right? It looks so, small.
It has to be small, Sammy. It's the inner part of the coin mechanism. Secure this little piece like that. I've already made this piece from popsicle sticks. See? It's really easy. We'll secure it right here. And another popsicle stick piece.
I don't get it yet. Why don't you explain how it's gonna work, Sue?
A bit more patience, Sammy. Seeing is believing. This whole piece goes right here.
It's not that I don't trust you, Sue, but it looks strange so far.
You're too suspicious, Sammy. I won't let you down.
Don't you dare trick me! I'll get my gumballs anyway.
Believe me, I know that, Sammy. We'll secure this with the rubber band and finally see how it all works. If you try to twist it just like that, the circle will get stuck. But when the coin is there, it works.
Aha, now I get it. Nice move, Susie.
Sammy, watch out!
Shiver me chatters, what is it? A snake? A worm?
You've been pranked. It's just the next piece of our craft.
Are you sure? I'm already ready to defend myself.
Did you want to defend or hide, Sam? Something tells me that it's the second option.
Right. I'm the most valiant slime in the whole YouTube world!
Oh, guys, I guess you not only have to be careful with hot glue, but also with Sam. Never prank him. fired up he got. He even forgot to help me with these pieces.
Come on, Sue. I know it's a joke. The gumball.
Perfect timing. Thanks, Sammy. Let's check. Aha, fits perfectly. Awesome.
Susie, show some respect. It's a valuable stock.
I can't do it as good as Sam does, but still. Up. The opening is done. Now we can connect it to the main construction.
Phew, I hit all the gumballs just in case. What did I miss?
The wheel for the mechanism is done. I hope they're in a safe place.
You can't doubt the safety level of this place, Miss Susie.
Oh, well then, I guess I know what kind of safe place it is.
Okay, I ate them. Is that a crime? I'll fight for my right to eat candies.
Relax, Sammy. Nobody blames you. Enjoy your candies as much as you want. Now we'll need to adjust this part just a bit.
Huh? Did you shape the part wrong? You should have come to me right away.
It's all going as it should. Nothing to worry about. Up.
But I was worried and cut out more pieces. Here you go.
Good job, Sammy. Everything goes so much faster and way more fun when you're helping with the craft.
Oh, come on. I'll go cut out something else.
In the meantime, we'll start assembling the body of our machine. This part goes in the middle. Oh, I almost forgot about one little piece. Right here.
Sue, I guess we'll need your magical power here.
Easy peasy, Sammy. Look. This is the slide for our gumballs, which we'll install like that. See, the slide starts right under the wheel where the candies will fall from.
Sure, it's great, but a gumball can roll out when you turn it and never get in the slide.
Oh, to prevent this, we'll have this directional part. Is that okay?
Holy cannoli, this is genius.
Whoa, Sammy, you were so happy that you didn't notice and made magic? Candies will fall from the jar straight into this funnel.
How's it going? I made these and now I don't see anything.
Sammy, you cut out the walls. Awesome.
Oh no, Sue, there's a hole-in-one wall. Maybe it's been stolen. Did you see anything, guys? Where did they go?
This wall has to be a little different, so this opening has to be there.
All right, we'll need this to take coins out of the machine. I invented it.
If you say so. But I guess something's missing.
What?
To make it look beautiful, we'll assemble a special box. Up. Great. Now we'll insert it into our construction. There you go, carefully. Fits perfectly. And the coin will go down on this slide. Sammy, are you ready to test the mechanism?
Are you kidding, Sue? I've been dreaming about it the whole time.
Let's imagine that we want to buy this gumball. We'll insert the coin and twist this in the right direction.
Hail the great Timmy Dabba, it's working!
The mechanism passed the test, but there's still... Hey, Sammy, where did the gumball go?
The early bird gets the worm.
Ooh, what a foxy slime you are.
Catch me if you can. Guys, we'll be right back. Can't get me.
Okay, now not a single gumball will be missing from here.
I got it. I'll protect it like the apple of my eye.
And who will protect them from you? Anyway, we'll upgrade the money mechanism right now. Sammy, could you hide this jar in a safe place?
I wanted to suggest that. I already have an idea.
FYI, I know exactly how many gumballs are in there. If only one is missing.
Okay, I won't eat anything, I promise.
And while Sam's away, I'll show you the secret money check system. I'm sure that Sammy will try to trick me and put a smaller coin in our machine, but only a coin of a necessary size will fit inside. And now we'll install it real quick before Sam comes back.
Whoa, you already installed the front wall? I missed a lot.
Even more than you think. I see that the gumballs are back again.
Yeah, I decided that here under your surveillance, they'll be safe.
Aha! I see that you added something new. The lid's a different color. And this opening wasn't here before. Come on, say it, Sammy.
I promise I didn't take any gumballs. Maybe this one. or two. Ugh.
Okay, but when we finish the machine, it won't be so easy for you to eat so many sweets. Now we'll glue the lid to the machine. Be careful with hot glue, guys. Most probably you've seen machines like this in department stores and bought some gumballs. There you go. Well, dear friend Sammy, say bye-bye to free gumballs.
Farewell, my sweet ones. I'll miss you.
We'll add a drop of glue in each corner. Like that. Carefully. And start the docking.
Whoa, the world turned upside down.
Sammy, it's time to turn the machine back. Come on.
It's kinda... Hi.
I got you.
Well, here we go. Whoa! Phew, that was easier than I thought.
Sammy, now we'll need all your creative skills.
This I can do. Tell me what we need.
Well, we have to make the machine look not so boring. Any ideas?
Sure, I am the decor master. Here.
Ooh. Yeah, I like this option, but we need more of these sticks.
I painted some of them. I've got a problem with the rest. I can't make it on time.
It's okay, Sammy. I'll help you with that.
Sue, you're a true friend, and I won't be fooling around.
Guys, to get a color like this, you should mix some blue, white, and a little bit of violet paint.
Sue, how's it going? My part's ready.
Wow! How fast you are! I have to catch up and use a magic trick. Bibbidi, bobbidi, subscribity! Awesome! I see, Sammy, that you didn't waste your time and painted the upper part.
Yeah, and I also washed the brushes. I'll go put them in place.
We'll glue these bluish pieces all around the craft. Huh, it already looks so much better.
Can't you be faster, Susie? Like that.
Wow, it's so beautiful. It came out very unusual, Sammy. But I don't really like this pencil popping out. With this, it will look much better.
Did everybody hit the bell button?
I really like the combo of blue and red.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the Gumball machine. It didn't work out.
Oh, Sammy, I knew that you were gonna try to cheat. Oh well, this time I'll lend you some of my money.
Thanks, Sue. You're a real friend.
Guys, did you like our craft today? Support us with a thumbs up and share this video with your friends.
And subscribe to our channel. We have so many crafts there. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.